This video shows how to replace the backup battery in a BRK 670MBX mains-powered ionization smoke alarm. The alarm will chirp to indicate that the battery is running low and needs replacing. Before opening the alarm, switch off the power supply by flicking the relevant fuse off. Remove the head of the alarm by twisting the head anti-clockwise. The head will come off. At this point, the cable is still connected to the head. Carefully pull out the plug from the head without pulling on the cables. Let the cables and the plug dangle from the ceiling. Replace the battery with a 9-volt non-rechargeable battery, ideally Duracell. Carefully insert the dangling plug into the back of the alarm. Refit the alarm head by twisting the alarm clockwise onto the base. Once the alarm head is fitted, switch the power back on. The green light will come on to indicate that the power supply has returned. To check that the alarm is working correctly, press and hold the test button until the alarm sounds. To ensure that you are testing your alarms on a regular basis, sign up to our free reminder service. Just go to this web address and complete the very simple registration process. We will then send you regular reminders to help you to remember to test your smoke alarms. To order a replacement alarm or to ask further questions, please ring SafeLinks or visit our website.